Hi guys, this is a data science hack, and what I'm going to be showing you is how to create and manage a virtual environment, and I'll be using Python 3 and Windows 10. So what I'm going to do is just show you the steps that I use to create that virtual environment. Sometimes it can be tricky, but we here at Grover Group Incorporated want to provide you with those data science hacks that everyone really uses in this community, so you can very quickly be able to perform these different tasks. As you can tell, oftentimes this can be very difficult just to get through the basic steps, and we want to provide you with that protocol to help you out here. So we'll start with these are the references that I used. Learn to code. I use some Stack Overflow, remove or delete a virtual environment, also activating and deactivating a virtual environment, and then the virtual wrapper. And so make sure you have pip installed and also Python 3 installed on your machine, that'll get you started to be able to do this protocol. So this is not a lesson in how to do that. So the assumptions are that that is installed on your machine. So the first thing we want to do is I want to go to the C prompt. So I tried to use the Windows PowerShell, but I was unsuccessful doing that, so I just reverted to the C prompt in the command prompt. And so the first thing that I want to do is I want to install the virtual environment. So this is done by pip install virtual environment, and I'll let that run. And the reference number 1, programmingwithus.com, gives some good insights if you want to refer back there to see what I used to get this step done. So now it's installing the virtual environment. So it's installed virtual environment 16.1.0. So the next step that I want to do is install the virtual wrapper. So this is nothing more than pip install virtualenvwrapper, install virtual wrapper. So this virtual wrapper, what it will allow, you'll see in a few moments, if you want to uninstall all installed packages and maintain your virtual environment, this is what that'll do. And you'll be able to clone virtual environments, etc. So the next step I want to do is create my virtual environment, and I'm just calling mine demo. So that's nothing more than virtual environment demo. So it's installing the setup tools, the pip, the wheels, and some other items. And so I'll fast forward through this so you won't have to wait on this. Okay, so I'm back with you. It's installed the virtual environment demo, and what I'm going to do is go through the CD process to show you where that installed at. So CD demo, it should pop up. Okay, so here we go. So here's the directory. When you install a virtual environment, it includes an include folder, library, scripts, and TCL. So the next thing we'll do is CD into the scripts and look at the directory there. And what we're looking for is this BAT file. So what we're going to do is just simply activate the BAT file. And this is right here. Activate BAT, it should activate it. And okay, so we know the virtual environment's working because we see our demo folder on the left hand side. Okay, so we want to deactivate this. It's nothing more than deactivate, and we see our demo goes away. Now if we want to maintain the virtual environment and clear all the programs and retain that environment, we can just type in this command and that'll do that. But I'm not going to run that. What I'm going to do is show you how to uninstall the virtual environment. So it's nothing more than pip uninstall virtual environment. I'll pause through this. Okay, so I'm back with you. So now the virtual environment has been uninstalled. Well, let me retract. Let's see, maybe if I spell it right. So let me try this again. Yep. Uninstall virtual environment. So I'll pause through this. So here we see it's asking us, do we want to proceed? We'll say yes. And it's been uninstalled successfully. So I just want to give you a clear flow of how to install a virtual environment, know how to activate the virtual environment, deactivate the virtual environment, and if you want to maintain the virtual environment and clear out all programs, I showed you the command how to do that, and then also I showed you the command of how to uninstall the virtual environment. So I hope this helps. If you like this series, give us a like. What I'm going to do is give a introduction to the data science hacks that I plan on doing here in the future. So have a great day. Hey, thanks for watching The Data Sniffer.